Good morning, kids. I hope you all are doing good. So, today we will start with revising equations. Okay, we have already done this in grade 6th. We will be revising it. And equations come under algebra. Okay, like earlier we were doing number sense. Now we are doing algebra. And after that, we will be doing geometry. And the integers that we did, that also comes under algebra. By mistake, I wrote number sense. Okay, so now we will start. What do you mean by equations? Okay, think about it. Don't write anything. The signal is red and bhaiya will do. Do you think there is something related to equal to sign when you read about equation, because both have the same first four letters? Okay, like EQUA, and this is EQUA. That is something related to equality. Okay, for example, if I write 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, is this an equation? Okay, think about it. Take a pause of 2 seconds. Okay, coming back. Yes, so when you see the left hand side, LHS, that is left hand side, and RHS, that is right hand side, when both are equally balanced, right, that is called an equation. For example, if you have a weighing machine, you put two things which are equal, 250 gram, 250 gram, and both are equal, then it's an equation. It's balanced, right? It's a state of balance. And that equality is shown through equal to sign. Okay, the equation is represented through an equal to sign, which balances both the part of the equation, the right and the left. Okay, so let's see how will you represent 16 divided by 2 in the form of equation. So what you will do is you will find the answer to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8, and this what you have formed is an equation because you have represented it through an equal to sign. One more example, 9 plus 4. Okay, if I write it 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, this again is an equation. Okay, uh, I will tell you to pause the video for 10 seconds, take note of it, and then I will give you questions for you to. Okay, pause the video for 10 seconds. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, coming back. Now there are some questions for you to that you will be doing. Okay, the signal is green, you can write along with me. So what you have to do it, you have to represent the question that I am giving in this form. That is in the form of equation. Okay, first one is 8 minus 6, second one is 19 into 4, third one is 20 divided by 5. Okay, you have to find the answer and then form an equation like this, the one that I've shown, like 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 and 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. The same you need to do for these three: 8 minus 6, 19 into 4, and 20 divided by 5. Take good 5 seconds to note down, then I will clear the screen. Okay, coming back. I will clear it. Now there are some rules related to equation. You have to first listen to Bhaiya. Bhaiya will turn the signal to red because Bhaiya will be doing it. Then I will be giving you the time to write. Okay. Now, if you see the equation, 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. Okay. Now I will explain you some rules by giving an example. Okay. If I add same number to both the sides, okay, this was 18 plus 9, which is equal to 27. If I add another 10 on both the sides, the equation will remain the same. See, 27 plus 10 is 37, and here 18 plus 9, 27 plus 10, 37, right? So if you add same number on both the sides, the equation remain the same. This was the first rule. Okay. Second rule, taking the same example. Okay, if you subtract same number from both the sides, for example, if you are subtracting minus 5, that is 5 from both the side, right? you will get the same answer 22 on both the sides. So this was the second rule. Subtract same number on both sides and your equation remains the same. Third rule, okay, I will make a compartment like this. Third rule, taking the same example, okay, if I multiply same number on both the sides, the equation will remain the same. 27 multiplied by 2 is 54. Here also 27 multiplied by 2 is 54. Okay. Similarly, if I divide the equation, both side of the equations by same number, take for example, I am dividing it by, sorry, there was some mistake that I did. I will take a small number, okay, 8 plus 9, which is 17. If I divide 17 here, also it was 17. If I divide both the sides by 17, I will get answer as 1, which means on division also, if we divide both the sides by same number, my equation remains the same. So if you add, you subtract, you multiply, you divide. This is multiply and this is divide. If you do all those operations on both the sides, your equation remains the same. I want you to pause the video for 1 minute and take a note of it, okay? And then we will come back. Okay, I will clear. Also, there is one more rule. If the equation is 18 plus 9 is equal to 27, if you change it, 27 is equal to 18 plus 9, that is, if you exchange the sides, then also equation remains the same. If 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, then 2 is equal to 5 minus 3. You have just exchanged the sides and the equation remains the same. Okay, you will take a note of this also. Now, I want to ask, do you remember some small alphabets or small letters like A, B, X, Y, Z, etc., which were called variables, right? That is unknown that we used in equations. For example, if x plus 10 is equal to 15, what is the value of x? Do you remember this? What you used to do is, if you send this 10 to other side, it will get subtracted. Okay, when you change the side, the sign gets changed. That is, plus will become minus. In this way, you could find that x is equal to 5. So if you put the value of x here as 5, you will get the same answer. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So in order to present an equation to solve the value of an unknown variable, we used to carry out these operations, that is, change the side to get the answer. For example, 2 times x is equal to 20. Find the value of x. So if you change the side, this 2 which is multiplied by x here will divide 20 in the right side like this. So x is equal to 10. If you put the value 10 here, then 2 into 10 is equal to 20. That is, when you exchange the sides, the operation gets reversed. Multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Take another example. 2 minus 3 is equal to x minus 3 is equal to 8. What is the value of x? The unknown. So what you will do, x is equal to, this 3 will get shifted here and it has a minus sign before it, which will become plus. So x is equal to 11. If you put the value 11 here, then you will get 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. This is how you used to solve the equations. Okay. Take a note of this. I will give you good 1 minute. Pause the video and take a note of it. Okay kids, now we are going to do some questions together. The signal is green. Let's start. In each of the questions that you see on screen, you have to find the value of x and y. Okay, we will do it together. The first question is y minus 8 is equal to 24. What you need to do is you need to find the value of y for which the equation is true. Okay, मतलब मैं किस नंबर से 8 अगर माइनस करूंगा तो मुझे 24 मिलेगा. तो इसको solve करना है with the help of operations on equations. Okay, so what you actually do is you try to have variables on one side and numbers on another side to find the answer. Okay, so in this case, let's put y on one side, that is on the left side. Now in the last slide you learned that if we have a minus sign here and if I send it here to the right side, it will become plus 8. Here it was minus 8, right? So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 24 plus 8, that is 32. Okay, if you take your original equation, that is y minus 8 equal to 24, and if you put the value of y as 32, that is 32, then if you do 32 minus 8, you will get 24. It means we have found the right value of y. So you can always check your answer. Okay, the first step was to send 8 to another side. It was negative here, so it became positive, and then we found the answer. Okay, second one, let's do x will be here only. Okay, and then we had plus 8 here, right? 8 मतलब क्या हुआ? Plus 8. We will send it to another side. 12 के पास भेजेंगे right side में, तो क्या होगा? माइनस हो जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर प्लस था. जो माइनस है वो प्लस होता है, जो प्लस है वो माइनस होता है दूसरे साइड जाके. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? माइनस. तो x की वैल्यू क्या आई? 4. If you put this value of x in the original equation क्या था? 8 में क्या प्लस करेंगे कि 12 आएगा, तो वो है 4. ठीक है, तो how did you solve? When we had plus 8, if it goes to another side, it will become minus 8, and we solved it. Okay, now 20 into y is equal to 120. मतलब 20 into y मतलब क्या? 20 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 120 आए. ठीक है, 20 into y is equal to 120. Let's solve it. We will keep y towards this side only and we will send 20 towards right. 20 यहाँ पर क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म में है. 20 into y. So when 20 comes to this side, it will get divided, right? 120 divided by 20. When you solve it, it will be 6. So y is equal to 6. And if we recheck our equation, 20 into y is equal to 120. If you put the value of y as 6, 20 into 6 is equal to 120. It means the value of y that we found as 6 is right. Okay, what did you do here? Y and 20 were getting multiplied. So the 20 which was getting multiplied, when it went to the right side, it got divided. Okay, and this is the answer. Last one, x divided by 4 is equal to 10. We will let x remain to the left. We will send y to the top. So sorry, we will send 4 to the top. It actually looked like y, but it is 4. So x divided by 4 is equal to 10. I will change the side of 4. 4 was earlier getting divided. Now it will get multiplied. That is 10 into 4. So x is equal to 40. This is your answer. You can check it. If you put x here as 40, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Okay. Take good 10 seconds to note down, then we will proceed. Okay, coming back, I will clear the screen. So we will do some word problems now. Okay, I will write some word problems. You have to find the equation for it. We will do it together. Okay, the sum of a certain number and 3. This certain number that you don't know, certain number and 3. We have to represent this sum as an equation. Okay, look carefully, don't write as of now. Okay, red signal I will do. Let that certain number be x. आपको पता नहीं है वो कौन सा नंबर है. So you have to represent this certain number and 3 as sum. So you can write x plus 3, right? Right. Then difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. You are subtracting 11 from another number and you don't know that number. Say that number is a. So you are subtracting 11 from a. This is how you can represent it. Okay, this is not actually the equation. It will be equation only when we have equal to sign and some number on the right side or another variable on the right side to find the answer. Okay, right now it's just a statement. Then the product of 15 and another number, मतलब 15 को multiply कर रहे हो दूसरे number से. For example, b is my another number, that is a variable that I don't know, that is 15b. And another is 4 times a number is 24. 4 times a number is 4 times a number is 24. Okay, so let that number be k. So 4 times k is equal to 24. This is an equation. Okay, take good 20 seconds to note it down. Okay, pause the video. Okay, now I will give you some problems for you to. Okay, you have to solve the following equations. Solve the following equations: A, B, C, D. First is y minus 5 is equal to 1. Second is p upon 4 is equal to 9. Then m minus 5 is equal to minus 12. Then 4x is equal to 52. What you need to do, you need to find the variable, you need to find the solution to the equation. That is the value of the variable y, here p, here m, here x. Okay, so take good 10 seconds to note it down and start solving.